Autodesk Inventor 2020 continues to deliver improvements requested by the Inventor user community. Through the Inventor Ideas and the Inventor Beta program, users like you submit feedback and ideas to improve your Inventor experience, and we listen. Here are some customer-driven improvements for this latest release. Mirrored sheet metal components now automatically link to the source file, ensuring parts are properly associated. When creating joints between components, you can now select the center of both curved and straight slots. This eliminates the need for multiple constraints when working with slotted features. The unwrap command flattens faces that cannot be calculated with the unfold or sheet metal flat pattern command, like lofted or stamped objects. Plus, see areas of highest to lowest tension with a heat map display. Inventor 2020 now offers a read-only mode, so you can view any Inventor file type in Canvas without a license. This means non-CAD users can access bill of materials, as well as measure, section, and view Inventor models. Check out these enhancements and more in Autodesk Inventor 2020. And thanks for the feedback from users like you.